Hi, young lady.
Hi.
What's your name?
Laura.
Laura, how old are you, Laura?
I'm 13.
13. Are you a singer?
Yes.
Yes. And have you been doing this for a long time?
Well, my mom always liked to sing, and, you know, she saw that I liked it too, so she helped me practice and pick out the songs, and here I am.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
I'm nervous.
Are you nervous?
I don't know, I just see so many talented people, and, you know, just...
She's gonna do great. I feel it.
All you gotta do is sing the song that you picked out, okay?
Thank you.
All right. She's 13. Wow. You were nervous? How do you feel now?
Relieved.
Heidi?
You are born with such a gift. It is unbelievable. I could not stop smiling. Like, you put me in the best mood. Wow. Loved it.
Thank you.
Simon.
That didn't just happen. Honest to God, you came out like a jelly. I didn't think you were going to be able to talk. And then I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, if she starts to sing, this is not going to work. And then that just happened. I have never heard anything like that in all the years I've been doing this show. Seriously. It was unbelievable.
Here's Simon say that.
And what made it even better is the fact that you are such a sweet person, so humble, not even aware of how amazing you are. Thank you so much for coming on this show. That was really, really, really special. Amazing.
You literally made all my hairs stand up on end, and you're only 13 years old. And you know what? I think that this show is going to completely change your life. And I'm going to change your life right now.